Hello class, for writing today it is I can use a writing process to draft my first paragraph by writing my introduction. It won't let me go back. Alright, so in here, this folder, you will see the writing focus which I just read. I would like you to watch this video. Okay, this is a video that teaches you how to create line paper on Notability, and then this is the assignment where you're going to turn it in. So there is nothing for you to download here. Everything will be created on Notability. So that's what I'll do. I'll go to open Notability. When you are on this page, let's say if you're not on this page and you're on like this page where you're working on stuff, you can just tap this back button to go back. Now once you're here, I would like you to tap on that pencil so that you can get a new page to open. Once this new page is open, I want you to tap on the wrench, and then you're gonna choose, let me try that again. You're gonna click on wrench, you're gonna tap on paper, and then you can choose any of these right here. So I might choose this one just because it's more widespread and it's easier for me to write. So this is where you're going to write your introduction essay. So for me, my topic that I chose in the example yesterday was football. So I'm going to put that at the top versus tennis. And then I'm going to start writing. So uh, right here, you can skip a line. So I'm going to skip a line here and I'm going to indent here. Okay, so you can put an arrow here just so that you know that that's how far you need to indent. Then I'm going to start with my opinion, my statement. So remember, this is the same one that you wrote uh, either yesterday or 2 days ago. Yesterday. So or it's not I think, it's I believe football is, since I indented over here, I'm going to start my next line here, is better than tennis. Period. Now I'm going to talk about my first reason. In football, I didn't have enough room, so I'm going to go down here. It is team sport. My second reason is throwing and catching a football is much more rewarding. Okay, I'm going to use the finger and I can go down. You see all the pages that I have. So now I need to close my introduction. Many more reasons but, so I'm going to move down. I feel that these two are the most important. Okay, just like that. And I'm done with my introduction paragraph. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you exactly how to type on Notability. So I'm going to leave this the same way it is. I just want to say that if you are writing by hand or with a stylus, you're going to keep writing this with a pen or a stylus. So if you are going to type, you want to press T, and you can tap anywhere. So this doesn't require you to um, create your lines or anything like that. And so you don't need to change it to the lines, to line paper. So you don't need to change it to line paper. But what I would like you to do is to look down here. I want you to change this into up to 20, just so that you can see that and it's easier for you to read. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the title. Football is, football versus tennis. So if you press tab, it's going to move, it's going to indent for you. If you don't press tab, then what I want you to do is to do 5 spaces. So I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to start typing. In my opinion, I think that football is better than tennis. Okay, you see how once I typed in tennis, and once it was done typing, it went straight down here. I can clearly see that I have indented. I know I said that the lines will come on in, but it's not working for me. But this is good enough because if you're gonna type, you don't need the lines. Then you can start typing your reason. This is because football is a team sport and requires teamwork. So that's one of my reasons. It is also way more fun to catch and throw the football. Okay, so that's my second reason. And then I have to close it by saying there are many other reasons as to why football is better than tennis, but I feel that these 2 reasons are the most important. Okay, just like that. So if you look at here, this is what a paragraph looks like. I see the indentation. There's my opinion right here. I have 2 supporting details or 2 supporting reasons. And then I also have my closing sentence. So when you're done, take a screenshot of it, upload it onto Notability.